So, this is my Newfoundland Martini, and I love these new chunkers. So, bring your camera around over here because you're going in this way. And what I want to do is accentuate his back, or I should say rear assembly, and open them up a bit. It's a very nice chunker. It's very light in the hand. It doesn't leave any line marks. I mean, of course, I always recommend using a blender after a chunker. Stand, stay, Martini. Good boy. I don't want to go too narrow in here because he hasn't gotten a lot of fill and fur yet. Martini, stand, stay. So nice and sharp. Comb them out. Looks real good. Okay.